Hi guys, today I have for you this soft rosy smoky eye makeup tutorial. Some of you wanted to see a rosy mauve eye look and some other wanted more eye looks with the Essence Salut Paris palette, so I thought put your hands together and I ended up doing a rosy eye look with this palette. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more makeup tutorials and reviews, and share this video with a friend that likes soft everyday eye looks. I have already primed my eyes with the Infallible More Than Concealer by L'Oreal in the shade 327. I have set it with the Too Faced Ethereal Setting Powder in Translucent. On the lips I'm using the Bloom Baby Bloom Nectar Lip Gloss by Essence in the shade 2 Tulips on my lips. I'm gonna start off with this light pink shade from the palette, and with this one I'm highlighting the brow bone. I like doing that before applying any crease colors, and I'm blending the shade with an eyeshadow brush by Essence. Next I'm picking up this light rosy shade and I'm gonna use this as my transition color. It has a matte finish and I'm diffusing it in the crease with a blending brush by Wet n Wild. I'm trying to keep the color in the outer crease to give an elongated look to the eyes. I continue blending towards the brow bone and outwards to eliminate any harsh edges. Following that, I'm taking this light brown shade with a smaller blending brush. I'm buffing that out in the outer part of the crease and the eyelid, and I'm trying to move my brush towards the tail of the brow and outwards. This gives an uplifted effect to the eyes. To build up the intensity, I'm adding some more product and I continue diffusing until I don't see any edges. This is a soft eye look, so don't stop blending. Moving on to this darker mauve shade, I'm placing this color on the outer third of the eyelid with a flat brush. I'm trying to stay away from the crease, and without adding more product on my brush, I'm diffusing the edges on the eyelid. This shade has a shimmery finish and I have used it again in another smoky eye look that I'm gonna link in the description box below. After that, I'm taking some product with my little finger for more control and I'm pressing lightly on the same area. This is gonna make the mauve shade shinier and deeper in color. You can also have the same result with a sponge tip applicator or with a setting spray on your brush. If you applied any product in the crease, like me, you can diffuse it with your blending brush. For the eyelid, I'm taking my eyeshadow brush again and I'm going over the edges. To have a soft eye look, you need to blend all the new layers of the eyeshadow on the eyes. Let's continue with these two very similar shades. They have a light color and a matte finish. I'm trying to mix them here, but you can use either one of them, to be honest. And I'm buffing this in the inner portion of the crease to lighten it up some more. Here we have a light pink shade. It is a little bit darker than the first one that we used, and I'm pushing this on the inner third of the eyelid. I'm gonna build up the intensity of the shade with more product, and I'm trying to blend with the mauve shade on the outer part of the eyelid. I'm picking up the brown shade again with a smaller brush and I'm smudging this on the outer lower lash line with a brush by Urban Decay. I'm gonna move my brush closer to the lashes and I'm trying to bring the color in the outer corner too. Next, I'm taking the light pink shade and with the same brush I'm highlighting the inner part of the lower lash line. I'm also diffusing this shade in the tear duct. My eyes are closer together and this is making them to look like they are not so much. For the waterline, I'm taking this Liner Refined Eye Pencil by Maybelline in brown. You can also use something in purple, or if you want to make your eyes look bigger, you can try a nude eye pencil. After that, I'm using the Liquid Ink Eyeliner by Essence. This is a black eyeliner product with a thin brush applicator. I'm starting with the inner part of the eye by creating small lines. Then I'm adding the wing on both eyes and I'm trying to create a thin line along the lashes. For fake lashes, I'm using the style Alexis by the brand AOA Studio, and I'm applying them with the Peel Off Lash Glue by Essence. At first, I'm measuring them on my eyes to see if I need to cut them a little bit, and then I'm curving them with my fingers for an easier application. I'm using a generous amount of the lash glue on the band of the fake lashes. Next, with my tweezers, I'm pressing them on the eyeliner very close to my natural lashes. I'm pressing them upwards so we can see the full length of the fake lashes. Here I'm looking downwards and I'm making some air with a sheet of paper to make the lash glue drier. I'm gonna finish the eye look after the lip products, and let's continue now with the face products. This is the City Bronzer by Maybelline in the shade Medium Cool 200. I'm diffusing the product on the cheekbones, forehead and jawline to give definition to my bone structure. I'm using the 109 brush by MAC, and then I'm changing this to the BH Cosmetics brush number 6, and with this one I'm contouring the sides and the tip of the nose. For blush, I'm using this one by Maybelline. It is the Fit Me blush in the shade 25 Pink. I'm diffusing this on the high points of my cheeks, and I'm also blending towards the City Bronzer. I love blushing my nose, so I'm also applying some on the bridge of it. I find that it gives a fresh look to the face. To highlight my face, I'm using the Intense Metallic Highlighter by Maybelline in the shade 300 Sandstone Shimmer. It is a light champagne highlighting shade. You can also use a pinkish highlighter for this eye look. Before doing the lips, let's go back to the eyes and finish the eye look. I'm taking the Lash Goals Mascara by Essence, and with this one I'm coating my natural lashes. I'm starting with the lower lashes, and then I'm trying to blend the upper lashes with the fake ones. For the lips, I'm gonna use a lip product from the 3-piece set On the Dot by Marc Jacobs. I'm taking the shade 360, Plum and Get It. And with this one, I start by outlining the lips and then I'm filling them in. This is a liquid lip crayon. In the beginning, it is very creamy and then it sets on the lips. It has a lightweight formula and this shade has a plum color with a pink sheen. To correct the outline, I'm taking some concealer with the Angle Brush by Essence. You can watch next this video here. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!